In this video, I'll show you how to fix Grok AI when it is not working in 2026. If Grok is not loading, responding, or working properly on your computer, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. First, check your internet connection. Open another website in your browser and make sure your connection is stable. If other websites are also loading slowly or not opening, fix your internet connection before trying Grok again. Next, refresh the Grok page. Sometimes a temporary loading problem can be fixed simply by refreshing the browser tab. If that doesn't work, close the Grok tab, open a new browser window, and try accessing Grok again. You should also check whether Grok is experiencing a temporary service problem. If the issue is affecting many users, there may be nothing wrong with your computer, and you may simply need to wait until the service is restored. Another useful step is to clear your browser cache and cookies for the Grok website. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes cause websites to behave unexpectedly. You can also try opening Grok in a private or incognito window. If it works there, the problem could be related to cached data, cookies, or a browser extension. Next, temporarily disable browser extensions that could interfere with the website. Privacy tools, content blockers, and some security extensions can occasionally affect how web applications work. If Grok still does not work, try another supported browser or update your current browser to the latest available version. You should also make sure your computer has a stable connection and that your system date and time are correct, especially if you are experiencing account or security-related errors.